Hi, my name is Dr. Lindsey Ogle. I'm one of the physicians at QuickMD, and we're going to talk about long-term use of GLP-1 medications. This is one of the most common questions that are asked about obesity treatments and utilizing GLP-1 medications. Do we need to use them long-term? The answer for most people is yes. Obesity is a chronic medical condition and requires long-term treatment. Just like other conditions like high blood pressure or high cholesterol, we need to use medications to manage those conditions long-term. And the same thing is true for obesity. Oftentimes, we can reduce the dose to lower maintenance doses, but for most people to have long-term success and weight management, we need to continue these medications long-term.